Welcome to Azure Thought Factory. It's a pleasure to launch this new video series, diving deep into Microsoft's cloud adoption framework. Whether you're a cloud architect, IT decision maker, or business leader, this journey is for you. We're here to simplify the cloud journey and explore how to make cloud adoption truly strategic, not just technical. This series will guide you through the key concepts, practices, and stages of the cloud adoption framework, often referred to as CAF. From motivations to stakeholder engagement, from planning to governance, CAF brings clarity to what is often a chaotic and overwhelming transformation. So let's begin. The cloud adoption framework is Microsoft's official approach to guiding organizations through their cloud journey. It's a set of proven tools, templates, and best practices, built from years of collaboration with thousands of enterprises worldwide. But this isn't just another technical checklist. It's a structured, flexible methodology that helps your organization align cloud efforts with business goals, reduce risks, and unlock innovation at scale. Microsoft didn't build CAF in a vacuum. They built it from real-world experience, learning from both the success stories and the failures of cloud adoption efforts across industries. They noticed patterns. Some organizations leapt into the cloud without a clear purpose. Others lacked governance, costing them dearly in security and budget overruns. Some had brilliant intentions, but couldn't align their technical and business teams. CAF addresses all of that. It was created so that cloud isn't just adopted, it's applied meaningfully. Now let's talk about scenarios, because every enterprise has a different motivation for going to the cloud. The framework adapts to these real-world motivations and gives actionable guidance for each one. Let's look at a few examples. Take data center exit. Many companies face hardware reaching end of life, rising maintenance costs, or pressure to become more agile. CAF offers a clear roadmap to assess, plan, and migrate workloads to Azure without disrupting business continuity. What about AI adoption? If you're exploring how to use AI responsibly and at scale, CAF provides a secure, governed way to embed AI into your processes, ensuring data privacy, compliance, and ethical deployment. Or maybe you've invested heavily in VMware. Azure VMware solution helps move those workloads with minimal reconfiguration. CAF guides you through this migration, keeping your business logic intact while modernizing your infrastructure. And if your focus is data, Cloud Scale Analytics provides a structured path to unify data across sources, secure it, and make it accessible for business intelligence or machine learning. Every scenario is mapped to real practices, giving you both technical and strategic footing. Cloud isn't just an IT concern, it's an enterprise-wide initiative, and that means involving the right people from the start. One of the greatest strengths of the cloud adoption framework is that it clearly defines stakeholder roles. Business leaders drive the why, cloud architects design the how, engineers build and migrate, security and compliance teams ensure safety and control. Finance governs spend. Each stakeholder has a seat at the table, and CAF helps orchestrate the collaboration needed for success. The framework is structured into 7 core stages, each one designed to guide your transformation step by step. First, strategy, where you identify motivations and define business outcomes. Then comes planning, mapping people, processes, and technology against those outcomes. Next is ready, preparing your Azure landing zone with security, governance, and identity baselines. Then you adopt, migrating existing workloads or innovating with cloud-native apps. After that comes governance, creating guardrails for compliance, cost control, and operational risk. Security focuses on advanced threat protection, identity, and data safeguards. And finally, manage, ensuring operational excellence through monitoring, reliability, and continuous improvement. Let's make this real with a story. Meet Alex, the Chief Technology Officer of a global manufacturing company. His on-premise data centers are aging. Operational costs are spiking. His board is asking tough questions about agility and innovation. Alex sees potential in Azure, but he needs a structured plan. He starts with the strategy phase of CAF, identifying the business outcome, reduce infrastructure costs by 40% while improving global uptime. In the planning phase, his teams define workload priorities, assign responsibilities, and model costs. In Ready, they set up a secure landing zone, governed, scalable, and aligned to enterprise architecture standards. When they move to Adopt, Alex starts with non-critical apps to test the process and scale confidently. Throughout the journey, he aligns with security, finance, and operations, ensuring governance and control. For Alex, the cloud adoption framework becomes a single source of truth, not just a guide, but a blueprint that evolves with the business. If this resonates with your own transformation, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series. Let's recap. The Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework is a structured approach to align technology with strategy. It supports a wide range of motivations, from cost optimization to innovation, and brings every stakeholder into the fold. By following its 7 stages, you reduce risk, improve clarity, and enable your organization to move from idea to impact, thoughtfully, securely, and at scale. This video gave you the high-level overview. In our next episode, we'll explore the strategy phase in detail, how to define your cloud motivations, build alignment, and turn business goals into actionable technical plans. Thanks for watching Azure Thought Factory. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing and sharing it with others on the same journey. From thought to practice, right at your desk.